Chapter 1 Introduction to Chemistry. Chemistry finds applications in day-to-day life as well as in industries. Chemicals from simple to complex are used in medicines, cosmetics, textile industry, agriculture, cleansing agents, etc. This theme will help students understand applications of chemistry in their lives. Learning outcomes. After studying this chapter, students will be able to discuss the importance of chemistry in daily life and its role in different industries and life processes. List important applications of chemistry in day-to-day life. List some industrial applications of chemistry. Discuss the biosketches of some scientists and their works. Appreciate the patience, perseverance, sacrifices, and ethical conduct of scientists. Important terms and their definitions. Science. Science is an accumulation of all observations and experiments done by a scientist who, with intensive research, uses a path for mankind to progress. Physics. It deals with different forms of energy, example light, sound, heat, electricity, etc., and the occurrence of physical changes correlated with the energy changes. Chemistry. Chemistry deals with the study of substances, their composition and properties, their interaction with the study of living organisms, example plants and animals. Organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is the study of specific carbon compounds built up mainly of carbon and hydrogen. Inorganic chemistry. It is the study of various elements and compounds. What is chemistry? Chemistry is that branch of science which deals with the study of substances, their composition, that is, what the substance contains, methods of preparation, both in the laboratory and in the industry. It is the chemistry that helps us to identify the substances on the basis of their colors, states, taste, odor, etc. Chemistry also helps us know whether a substance dissolves in water or not. To know more, a chemical is a substance produced or used in a chemical process. To know more, chemist is a person who does research in chemistry by carrying out experiments. Different branches of chemistry. On the basis of certain properties of substances and how to deal with them, it is classified in many groups which we call branches of chemistry, such as inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, biochemistry, physical chemistry, industrial chemistry, agricultural chemistry, nuclear chemistry, analytical chemistry, and pharmaceutical chemistry. Here we are going to deal with two main branches of chemistry, inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry includes study of various elements and compounds, that is metals and non-metals. Here acids, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, etc. Gases, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, etc. Elements, sulfur, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, etc. Organic chemistry. Organic chemistry includes study of specific carbon compounds made up mainly of carbon and hydrogen. Here, hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons, compounds of carbon and hydrogen only, for example, methane. Acids, acetic acid, acids containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Importance of chemistry. Chemistry plays a very important role in our life. It is very difficult to imagine life without the use of chemistry. The important applications of chemistry in different fields are dealt here with. In agriculture, chemistry has helped agriculture in various ways by use of chemical compounds such as fertilizers, insecticides, fungicides, herbicides, pesticides, etc. The use of fertilizers proved, figure 1.1, a great boon in agriculture. In industry, gaining knowledge of chemistry has helped greatly in the growth of industrial processes. The industries like soap and detergents, textiles, dyes, cosmetics, Pharmaceuticals, paper, rubber, plastics, etc. have made rapid progress by gaining knowledge through chemical researches. Figure 1.2. Products. Knowledge of chemistry has initiated production of food materials such as refined oils, butter, cheese, etc. are obtained through chemical reactions. Household products such as cooking gas, LPG, food preservatives, specific utensils and electronic items all involve the use of chemistry. Clothing materials such as natural fabrics, example silk, are made through chemical reactions. Petroleum products such as wax, soap, synthetic fabrics, synthetic wood, gas, paint, plastics, etc. are obtained from petroleum. Figure 1.3. Communication. Gifts of chemistry like synthetic chemicals, metals, plastics, copper wires, silicon chips, enamels, PVC, etc. are used in making telephones, tape recorders, cell phones, television sets, etc. Use of chemistry in war. Knowledge of chemistry has been used to produce deadly weapons like poisonous gases, high-powered explosives, bombs, smokeless explosives, explosive mines, and thousands of other legal weapons. The discovery and use of the atom bomb in 1945 by USA compelled Japan to surrender in the Second World War when it was used on two of her cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. To know more, hydrogen bomb is 100 times more destructive than an atom bomb. Is chemistry a boon or a bane? Chemistry can be used for constructive purposes as well as destructive purposes. It is for us to decide how we want to use chemistry. Use of chemistry in national economy. Nature provides us only raw materials such as air, water, coal, oil, minerals, etc. Making use of chemical processes, these materials produce thousands of useful substances such as metals, plastics, dyes, drugs, textiles, soaps, etc. The manufacturing of these substances from the raw materials builds up the national economic importance of chemistry. Chemicals, category, areas where they are applied. DDT, BHC, endosulfan, isoproteron, pyrethrum. Insecticides in agriculture to eliminate insects. Penicillin, amoxicillin, tetracycline, ciprofloxacin. Antibiotics used as medicine to cure infectious diseases. Curcumin, drug responsible for the medicinal properties of turmeric, used for fast healing of wounds. Butachlor, paraquat, herbicides used in agriculture to remove weeds. Matatheo, parathion, aldrin, pesticides used in agriculture to eliminate other pests. Bordeaux mixture and sulfur, fungicides used in agriculture to protect crops from fungi. Warfarin, zinc phosphide, rodenticides used in agriculture to eliminate rodents. Sodium stearate, sodium carbonate, soaps and detergents used for washing clothes in homes and laundries. Paints, plastics, synthetic fibers, dyes, drugs, many types of alloys. These are industrial products, man-made, used everywhere in all fields of our life. Cement, mortar, varnishes, fevicol. These are raw materials used for building construction. TNT, trinitrotoluene, mustard gas, phosphine, phosgene, laughing gas. Chemical warfare used for national defense. NPK, ammonium nitrate plus ammonium phosphate plus potassium chloride, fertilizers used for crop production. Some great chemists and their discoveries. Amido Avogadro, 1776 to 1856. He was an Italian chemist who is famous for the discovery of the hypothesis known as Avogadro's hypothesis. He discovered smallest particle of a substance known as molecule. Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev, 1834 to 1907, he was a Russian chemist who tabulated the elements in a table called periodic table. This table proved to be a unifying principle in chemistry and led to the discovery of many new elements. Sir Humphrey Davy, 1778 to 1829. He was a British chemist. He is known for the development of safety lamps used in mines. This lamp was later called Davy's Mines Safety Lamp. He predicted and demonstrated that electricity is capable of resolving compounds into their elements. He isolated potassium and sodium from potash and soda using electricity. Daniel Rutherford, 1746 to 1819, he was a Scottish scientist. He discovered nitrogen and did a lot of work on atomic structure and radioactivity. He also discovered nitrous oxide or laughing gas and also proposed chlorine. John Dalton, 1766 to 1844, he was a British physicist and chemist who first gave the atomic theory known as Dalton's atomic theory. According to this theory, matter consists of rural divisible particles called atoms. Joseph Louis Gay-Lussac, 1778 to 1850. He was a French chemist who studied the chemistry of gases. He proposed the law of combining volumes. According to this law, gases form compounds with each other in simple, definite proportions. Marie Curie, 1867 to 1934. She was a British chemist who worked in France and made research in the field of radioactivity. She got Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1911 on discovering radium. Robert Boyle, 1627 to 1691. He was the greatest scientist of England and was an Irish by birth. He proposed a very important law of gases known as Boyle's law of gaseous volume. This law states that volume of a given mass of gas is inversely proportional to the pressure, keeping the temperature constant. Fast track. Chapter at a glance. While working in the chemistry lab, one should observe certain precautions to protect oneself as well as others from any harm. Chemistry is that branch of science which deals with the study of the elements and the compounds they form and also the reactions they undergo. The study of chemistry is important because it finds its uses at homes, hospitals, industries, in agriculture, communication, and many other fields. Chemistry has mainly two branches, inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry. Chemistry has vast importance in modern life. Chapter 2,